Alright, what's up guys? So in this video I'll be talking about something important, okay? So basically for the next few weeks to a month I'll be taking a break off YouTube. But it's not really a break, so I'll explain in details later. Basically I've been trading for a year and 2 months now, and yes, I've been improving and I've been making money, right? But at the same time not really, right? So I got a payout, I keep getting funded, but I can't manage to hold my accounts more than 2 weeks before blowing them. Then I'm looking at my journal on Notion because I journal every day my trades and I like type comments, right? I think my problem right now is, so I've been following my strategy, I've been following my rules, I've been trading I've been taking one trade a day, I've been doing everything correctly, but I think my scaling is wrong. So basically, I'm risking $500, as we know, to make 1K or more, right? But what's happening is like 2 days in a row of a losing day and like the account is gone, right? Or like a bad week, even though if I win, like I lose the account. So I need to figure out my scaling and I need just de-risk. So I've been risking 500 for, doesn't matter for how much. I've been risking 500. Let's say the account is $2,000. I only have 4 trades. Even though I win, like it's not working out. So I've been looking at my journal, like I said, and I'm gonna start risking 250 for 1 to 3, and then from there build up, build up, build up, right? And I think this is the remaining thing that I need to do so I can start being profitable and everything. So if I start risking 250 per trade, so let's say I'm gonna take for example my account, right? So take profit, I only have this as drawdown and it's trailing, right? So we seen I had a good week last week, but today, what's it called? Yesterday I lost, today I lost, and the account is gone already. So here, divided 500, I only have like 3 trades, and that's the thing. Like I need to win instantly to jumpstart the account, which is not good. So anyway, I don't know how I can explain it, but now I'll be risking 250. So at least I have 6 trades. Like I need 6 L's in a row to blow the whole account. And 250, if it's a 1 to 3, like I was aiming for, that's gonna be 750 a day. And something that I've been doing, right? If you work an average job, so let's say you get 20 an hour, you work for 8 hours, so you make around 160, say 200, okay, per day. Because of everyone on trading, you see them making like 10K a day, 20K a day, those big YouTubers. So like you think about how can I explain it? So basically you want more, okay? But I need to just humble myself, right? Everyone is on a journey and I know that I'm going to be successful. It's just a matter of time. So you work 8 hours just to get around $200, or you can work 1 hour on here and make like 1K and more, right? So I just need to say, okay, even if it's a 500 profit, I should just take it. If someone give you $500 right now, would you take it for 1 hour of work? Yeah. So anyway, um, I'll be risking 250 to make 750. Then from there, scale up, scale up, scale up, and this would make my account last longer, right? So yeah, that's gonna be it. Because yeah, strategy is working. My rules, I've been following them. So what's left? My risk. My risk is my only problem. I keep blowing accounts because I'm over risking. It's okay to risk 500, but I need to build a cushion first, right? So I'll figure this out on my own, okay? But yeah, so now basically for content, I just want to put all my mind into trading, right? So yes, I'm doing daily recaps. So what I'll do is probably just weekly. So at the end of the week, I'll just do a recap of the whole week, so Monday to Friday, the trade that I took, what I was thinking, the money that I made, okay? So that's what's gonna happen. So probably each Friday at 5 p.m. I'll be uploading. So that's for that. But yeah, I'm not giving up on trading, no way. Just on content so I can put my mind all into trading and focus, right? So yeah, I'm still gonna use my strategy, my rules, everything, but now I'm gonna de-risk, and I need to repass an account. I'll still be with Take Profit. I really like their rules, so I'll still be with them. So yeah, each Friday at 5 I'll be uploading, and yeah, in maybe 2 weeks to 3 weeks I'll be probably, so I know I'm gonna get funded. I always get funded. So the next week I'll be funded, and then from there I'll just put my mind to it, start risking 250, growing the account. And what are we right now? 29. Maybe by 15 May, if I done everything correctly, we should see some payout. Now I'm not gonna set up a goal, right? I know I'm gonna make it, but I'm just telling you guys. So around May, like half of it, so 15, we should get a payout. But yeah, basically, here, let me just redo my calculation. I'm gonna risk 250, so I'll have to do like on Notion, I'll open up a page and do my scaling plan, right? So I know exactly how much I can risk for the amount. So let's say my balance account is 25k, right? Or not 25k, 26k. If it goes below 25k or to 25k, it's blown, right? So minus 25. This means I have 1k divided 250. I have 4 trades. Anyway, I'm just mumbling right now, so I'll figure this out, and yeah, I'll see you guys now Tuesday. I'll see you guys Friday for the whole recap, okay, of the day, of the week. But before I do that, let me just recap this day. Today was clean, but I was too much, I don't know the word, I was too much focused on London low that I missed the gap. So here, I'll show you guys. So like that, 4 hour. 4 hour we had nothing, so go on the 1 hour. We had this, and this one, right? We just marked them up. Go to the 30-minute. What we do, we adjust them. So this would go right there. This would stay right there, doesn't matter. And then this right there. 5-minute. So coming into market, 9:10 we fill in this gap and reject. From there I was waiting for a pullback so I can enter. Never got the pullback. From there, 9:30 we filled in this gap, but I didn't mark it at the time. I didn't even see it. So I don't know why. I was just too focused on London low. So this is Asia low. It rejected Asia low. So from there I was looking for a pullback here so I can enter. I did this and then got stopped out instantly, right? And yeah, just got stopped out. But if I was just, not focusing too much on this area, right there, the gap. So here rejected and here rejected, right? So we wait for the next candle to hit either zone and then take it off. Here it hit first, so I should have been here. I should have entered here, I mean. So like that. 1, 2, 3 easily, 10 minutes later, and I'm done. But that was the recap, I mean, for Tuesday. So this led me to a loss, and then with the trailing and everything, I just lost the account. So yeah, like I said, I'm still gonna be with not top step. Take profit, and yeah, from there we'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys Friday.